All right, so I'm sure you can see this flashy looking car in front of you, and we can say without question that there is one car. So we have one car. How many wheels will one car have? Four. So I'm going to say the ratio of cars to, sorry about that, to wheels is 1 to 4. 1 to 4. The most important thing for us to recognize is the order in which I say it influences the way I write the ratio. If I say cars first and it's one car, I have to write the one first. If I say wheels second, then I have to write the four second. Now, what if I have two cars? As you see in my second image loading right now. Let's say we have two cars. Well, we know that every time we have one car has four wheels. So I can make an equivalent ratio that will fit this situation. So now that we have two cars, actually, let me undo that. I'll do it in red. Now that I have two cars, how many wheels will I have? If every time there is one car, and I know that there are four wheels that are attached to that one car, if I have two cars, then that means I have 8 wheels. So the ratio would be 2 to 8. The ratio of cars to wheels is 2 to 8. Now, I could continue to essentially repeatedly add. Every time I add one car, I'm adding four wheels. So when I get down to two cars, I've added another four to make 8. If I keep adding repeatedly, I'll always be able to maintain an equivalent ratio. But what happens when I want, let's say, to know how many wheels there are with maybe 30 cars? Um, I don't want to add over and over again. That's inefficient. What I can do is just pay attention to the relationship between the number of cars and the number of wheels. And I noticed that I'm multiplying the number of cars by 4 to give me the number of wheels which accompany that quantity of cars. So one car, 1 times 4 gives me 4 wheels. If it's two cars, then 2 times 4 gets me to 8. If it's 30 cars, then I would multiply by 4 to give myself an equivalent ratio, meaning that there are 120 wheels when I'm talking about 30 cars. So the ratio for that, let me make some space. Let's see. If I'm talking 30 cars, then it's, again, I'm multiplying by 4, and that gets me to 120 wheels. So the ratio would be 30 to 120. Again, we're working from this first ratio. Every time I have one car, that means that there are 4 wheels. If it's up to two cars, I multiply that by 4 to give me 8 wheels. If I'm thinking of maybe like a car dealership that has a lot of cars, then it would be 30 cars, again, multiplied by 4 to maintain an equivalent ratio for every single example. All right, I saw some confusion with equivalent ratio, so I just wanted to address it in this video. I hope this example helps. Let me know if it does, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.